Welcome and let us start our discussion over the topic of differential equation, okay, of first order. Firstly, what are differential equations? Differential equations are the equations of differential coefficients. Let us suppose the equation like dy by dx whole square d2y dx square plus 2 equals 0. So this is also a differential equation of order 2. Order means highest differential coefficient. You are differentiating it twice, second order derivative. You are differentiating it once. So the highest order differentiable is 2. So order is 2. And the power of that order is degree. So the power is 1. So degree is 1. Okay. So this is the equation equals to 0. This is differential equation. Now firstly let us start our discussion over the forming of a differential equation, okay, and then we try to solve a differential equation by different methods, okay. So firstly, how can we form differential equation? This is the simple harmonic motion equation. You have heard about it, but here as you see, how many coefficients are there, how many arbitrary constants are there. You have to differentiate a differential equation up to that much time which up to which it has differential arbitrary constants. Means here we have a differential constant as a and t, okay. There are there are two arbitrary constants, that's why we have to differentiate it up to twice, okay. So firstly, if we differentiate it with respect to x, what we get, dx with respect to t with time, dx by dt is equals to a is constant here, cos the differentiation of cos is minus sign, and now the chain rule is applied here. Cos theta, the differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, but now you have to differentiate the theta also. So nt plus alpha with respect to t, it becomes n, and this becomes 0 because it doesn't have t, so it becomes n, okay. Again differentiate with respect to t, minus an is constant, sine, coefficient of sine, differentiation of sine is cos, nt plus alpha, now again the differentiation of it is n, so it becomes n square. So if you see here, what it will form, minus a cos nt plus alpha is x and n square, so it becomes d2x by dt square plus n square x equals 0. This is our differential equation, okay. Now we are proceeding towards the solution of a differential equation. There are two types of solutions. One is general and another one is particular solution. So to solve a differential equation, what you have to do, first method is separating the variable method. Separating the variable method like this, you have to just separate y on one side and x on one side in terms of that. So firstly reduce it or simplify it. It will become 3x e raised to power minus 2y x square e raised to power minus 2y. If you take out e raised to power 2 minus y as common, it will form 3x plus x square. And now separate the variable, dy upon e raised to power minus 2y e raised to power 3x plus x square dx. This is dy, e raised to power 2y comes up, e raised to power 3x plus x square. No talking. Now integrate it. Integrating both sides, what will it form? E raised to power 2y dy, e raised to power 3x dx, x square dx. It is the integration of e raised to power something is e raised to power that, and upon differentiation of that, e raised to power 3x upon differentiation of 3x is 3. X square is one power is add up and divide it from the same, okay. So in this way, this is the differential equation, having solution of a differential equation in terms of particular solution. General solution, I'm sorry. General solution. Why it is general solution? Because we are not getting the value of y and x. If the question is like that, you have to solve it when x is 0 and y is 2, and you substitute the value of x as 0, e raised to power 0 is 1, 1 by 3, x as 0, this will be cancelled out, plus c, e raised to power 2 to the 4 by 2. So c becomes e raised to power 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now substitute this value into this and you've got particular solution. I hope you will understand. In our next video, we will discuss about next phase of differential equation. How can you solve it? Thank you.